This is a tale of two attorneys who conduct their elder law practice in different ways. Meet Jeffrey, a veteran practitioner with decades of elder law experience. This is Janie. She is newer to elder law with less than 5 years of experience. For years, Jeffrey has drafted documents by importing excerpts from similar clients, often copying and pasting his way through a new document. Inevitably, mistakes are made that leaves the client either underwhelmed or at risk. Jeffrey is working hard, but could also be working smarter to build his practice. As a subscriber to Interactive Legal, Janie can efficiently create precision-drafted documents, from care agreements and promissory notes to even the most complex of special needs trusts, all while knowing she has access to the industry's leading experts at her disposal, including access to Interactive Legal's forums where she can interact with other users and glean cutting-edge thinking. Janie's foresight to use Interactive Legal as a strategic resource means that she can confidently represent the needs of her clients. Happier clients lead to higher quality referrals, and Janie's reputation flourishes. Interactive Legal's document drafting solutions allow you to take better care of your clients as well as your practice. By being more accurate and efficient, you'll have more time to devote to what is truly important, which will ultimately make you a successful elder law attorney. Interactive Legal's drafting programs can be installed locally, or by using our cloud-hosted solution, subscribers now have the option to access documents from any internet-enabled device. Interactive Legal made certain this option is both secure and powerful by partnering with Amazon Web Services, an industry leader in virtual private cloud computing. Elder Law Pro from Interactive Legal has put Janie's law practice on a fast track to client satisfaction through enhanced productivity. To learn if Elder Law Planning Pro from Interactive Legal is the right fit to take your practice to the next level, drop us a note. An Interactive Legal professional will contact you to schedule your free demo. It's that easy.